exciting about tech.
Hey everyone, this is Jay Lewis at Caseborne, back in the house with another video. And today we'll be looking at a case for the Galaxy Z Flip 4. This case comes from a company called Caseborne. This is the Vanguard Series V. This is the military grade case, Vanguard Series. Wander Further with Us by Caseborne. Now, really quickly, I went through several cases and trying to find a good case for my Z Flip 4. This phone is kind of fragile. I kind of had some issues with this phone, and I can't find a good case for it. Hopefully, this is the case. Again, I mentioned it has military grade drop protection. This case could be found on Amazon for $39.99. There's also a 20% code that you can put in at the end, so to save you some money. This case comes in 3 colors. It comes in black, purple, and orange. So that being said, let's get into what we came here to get into. Now, like I mentioned earlier, I've been really having a hard time finding a case for my Z Flip phone. Not just finding a case that I trusted. Now, as you look inside in the box, it comes with some adhesive strips. It comes with a thank you. This case was designed in Dallas, Texas. There's some instructions in regards to how to install the case. Let me see what else we have inside the package. We have a handwritten note. Thank you so much for your business. We're proud to small business from Fresco, Texas. Your satisfaction is most important to team, blah, blah, blah. One thing I know about these cases, they have an excellent warranty. You can get online and register your warranty. Also, they have excellent customer service. So let's start by looking at the case. On the inside, you have some Caseborne branding. This appears to be a foam insert, so that's for the extra protection. Again, some adhesive to hold the case in place. The thing about this case that I was really excited about was the hinge protection, because this phone, myself and others, there's been some hinge failage, and actually I had a problem with 2 phones, and the second time I had hinge failure, and Samsung charged me $377 to fix it because they did it one time already. So let's try to get this on. And no problem. Let's take a look around the case. So on the back, again, we have that hinge protection. We have an opening for your outer display, deeply recessed, so your cameras and your outer display should be well protected. At the bottom, we have cutouts for your USB-C, for your speaker, and I'm assuming these are noise canceling microphones. On the top, we have some more cutouts for the microphones. On the side, we have up and down volume rocker, and we also have a large opening for your fingerprint sensor, so that shouldn't be a problem. Let's try that one more time. 3rd time's the charm. Excellent. Let's go for the volume up and down. No problem. Another thing that I'm noticing, you also have lip protections. It's kind of flat, but the lip over flaps the screen. So definitely your device, if you place it down, is not going to be touching your screen. At the top here, we have a cutout for your earpiece. Let me see if I can get a quick wipe down. Again, at the bottom, cutouts. Now the other thing is, this case stated that when you open and close, which I've had a hard time finding a case that when you open and close it, the hinge open and closes properly. This opens and closes properly. One more time, you can actually see that. I really like that. This has a really good feel, and again it states that it's 4-time military grade drop protection. I was looking on the box and on the ads, it doesn't say how many feet. Usually this case lets you know if it's 8 feet. This company lets you know it's 8 feet, 12 feet drop protection. It doesn't say, but I have to say it feels really sturdy. Everything works fine. Opening and closing works fine. For $39.99 at the time of filming of this video, I think this case is a really good case. If you look at the corners right here, you have reinforced corners for those drops. I'm really scared to break this phone again because it cost me a lot of money to get it repaired. So I've been searching for the right case, and I'm hoping this will get the job done, and it appears this is what I'm looking for. On the side it has a little bit of matte finish. Again, we have some Caseborne branding here. So there's 2 different textures. This is a smooth texture here and a more matte texture here, so it feels, I don't know if you can feel that, it feels really grippy. I haven't installed the adhesive, but I'm going to install the adhesive on this case because this is going to be the case that I'm going to be using. I feel really comfortable with this case. Another thing that I like to point out about this case that I just noticed, like the design, when you close the phone, it's all the way closed. There's not any space that debris will get in between the phone, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. Let me see if I can get it on camera. When this phone is like this, you can see how much space. Let me see if I can get it in there. You can actually see the display. You can see how much space is in between the phone. There's a large opening. So with this case on, you're going to have a little added protection from debris getting in between the display. I just wanted to point that out. Being that this is a somewhat ruggedized case, I just want to make sure the wireless charging works properly. Let me check another quick placement. 3rd time's the charm. Wireless charging is in effect. Well, this is just a short video for the Caseborne. I think this is an easy recommendation for the price compared to other cases by UAG and Otterbox. I think this is a really well designed case, especially the hinge. I had other cases that once you open and close the hinge, you have to keep on making sure the hinge closed properly. I really like the design. I really like the look. Whoa. And it's like a minimalist design. Again, Caseborne design. Caseborne. Nice texture on the side. Up and down volume rocker. Nice big cutout for your fingerprint sensor. You can get to that really easily. The front, I wish I can show this a little better. This right here overlaps the screen all the way around. We have reinforced corners. I think this is the case that I've been looking for by Caseborne. I will leave links in the description. So if I haven't asked you already, this is going to be in the video, but I ask you to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And again, this is Jay Lewis at Tech Boner, and as always, get excited about tech. Peace.